we would like it to be a solution for the developing world. For countries like China, Japan, which have a cultural objection to donation, they do a very tiny number of corneal transplants, and so there's a huge burden of disease. Tens of millions, or many millions of patients are blind from corneal disease and can't get access to corneal tissue. And so, I imagine we could have a tissue-engineered facility that could produce corneas. We might have one donor supplying 50 or 100 corneas. That we could grow those tissue-engineered corneas in our facility and then export that through the eye bank networks that are already doing that sort of distribution to Southeast Asia and supply corneas to people who can't get access to eye banks.